Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome, my dear students of grade 4. Today we'll continue, inshallah, solving the final revision, preparing for the exam. We start in the last session, choose the correct answer, and we reach number 50. Did we reach number 50 or 51? Did we reach number 50, ya shabab? Did we solve number 50?
I do not know because I don't have the worksheet.
Okay,
Yes,
let's start from number what?
Number 50.
Okay, let's start, ya Ahmed al-Gamal.
Okay.
Number 50, Ahmed, are you ready?
Yeah.
Read.
The what play agree through in function of nervous system. Small intestine, trachea, brain, esophagus, brain.
Space play an important role in the nervous system. The function of the nervous system, it is what?
Brain.
Very good, my son. The brain is very important, yeah, Ahmed.
Yeah, it is very important. Not for
Why? Can you tell me the function of the brain?
Because it controls the body. It is like the center of the body.
Raise your voice, please.
It is like the center of the body. It is
like the command of the body. It is the center of everything in the body. It control and send a message to all parts of the body. And also it is a communication, and it is a center of a sensation. When you look at something, you know what is it when the message reaches your brain. The eye send the message to the brain and you can see the object when you the message reaches the brain. Okay? So the real sensation happens in the brain. The brain interprets the messages of the information and understand what can you see and what can you hear and so on. The brain is the center of real sensation. Thank you, Ahmed al-Gamal. Everybody raise your hand now. Everybody, mute your mic and raise your hand. Raise your hand, everybody, please. Be ready now. I will choose by the order. Okay? Only Ahmed al-Gamal, lower your hand because you answer. Only Ahmed, lower your hand. Amr Magdi, raise your hand. Kareem, raise your hand. Muhammad Samir, raise your hand. The one who answer, you can lower your hand, okay? Now it's the turn for Malik. Are you ready, Malik? Open your mic and read number 51. Malik, are you ready?
Yes, mister.
Yeah, raise your voice and read number 51.
When a gerbil hears the sound of a moving snake, he jumps to run away.
When the gerbil hears the sound of a moving snake, it remains standing, jump to hunt the snake, make sound to fear the snake, or jump to run away.
Jump to run away.
Very good, my son. This is a reflex, very fast or slow reflex? This action is very fast or slow?
Very fast.
Does it take minutes or seconds or maybe half seconds?
Second.
It takes part of second. Okay, jump quickly in zigzag shape to run away from the snake. And this is a way of adaptation. You know, it has a very large lower limbs. It has a very large legs to help it in jumping, you know. The big legs or the large legs is a structure adaptation or behavior adaptation in the gerbil. Do you know? The large legs, the tall legs in the gerbil, structure adaptation or behavior adaptation? You don't know? Taib Yusuf Muhammad, do you know? The legs of the gerbil, structure adaptation or behavior?
What's the question?
The legs of the gerbil are very long. Do you know?
It's structural adaptation because
You are excellent, Muhammad. Yusuf
it's
Muhammad.
run away.
Yeah, very good, my son.
To run away is behavioral adaptation.
Very good. You are excellent. The big legs and the tall legs are structural adaptation. But running away, this is a behavioral adaptation. Now lower your hand, Malik. Now your turn, Yusuf. Are you ready, Yusuf?
Yes, Mister.
Lower your hand, Malik.
The system is able for moving your hand away from danger is nervous system.
You are excellent, my son. The nervous system is responsible for moving your hand away from danger. So this is a reflex action by the nervous system. Do you know the importance of the nervous system, Yusuf?
No, مش عارفة كده.
Yes, Mister.
Can you tell me more about the nervous system? Is it important?
Yes.
Muhammad Helmi, close your mic, please. When your turn come, open your mic, okay?
Yes.
It has spinal cord.
Tell me more about the nervous system, Yusuf.
It has a spinal cord and the brain.
The brain, the spinal cord, and what else?
The danger example, the boy.
Just 1 minute. The brain, the spinal cord, and what else?
Nervous.
The nerves. Very good. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Okay. What's its function? Why is it important?
Because that example, the boy touches the pot, the pot is hot, it is warm.
The nervous system is communication system and sensation system and thinking and memory. All of this in the nervous system.
Yes. Yeah, and
it controls sensation and communication. Is it okay?
Yes, receiving
sending and feel what around you.
It's about communication and sensation.
Very good, Yusuf. Thank you, Yusuf. Lower your hand now, please, Yusuf. The turn now for Basim Abdul Rahman. Are you ready, Basim?
Yes, Mister.
Read number 53.
When a snake makes a noise, is sensory receptors in
the sensory receptors in gerb was what? Send the message to the brain. Ears. Very good, my son. Send the ears, send the message to the brain. And the brain send order to the gerb to jump. This is a reflex action, very fast action.
Yes.
Made by the gerboa and helps the gerboa to jump very fast.
And to jump zigzag.
Yeah, and jump in zigzag shape to run away from danger. Thank you, my son. Lower your hand, please.
Okay, Mister.
Now the turn for Ahmed Mustafa. Are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes.
Read number 54.
When your hand touches the spins of cactus planet, move your hand in less than 1 second.
When your hand touches the spines of cactus. عارف نبات الصبار cactus؟
أيوة عارفه.
You move your hand quickly. In 1 minute or 1 hour or less than a second or 2 minutes?
Less than 1 second.
Yeah, very good, my son. This is a very fast reflex action. This is a very fast reflex action happen in less than 1 second. This is because you have a good nervous system which protect you from danger. Protect your body from danger. Okay? Thank you, Ahmed Mustafa. Lower your hand and close your mic.
Okay.
The turn now for Hamza. Are you ready, Hamza?
Yes.
55.
The nervous transmit information in the form of light
Is it nerve
impulse.
impulses? Is it magnetic impulses or electric impulses or light impulses or sound impulses? Do you know the messages in the nervous system? Magnetic or electric? Do you know?
Magnetic.
No, my son, in your body there is electric. There is electric impulses, okay? Because they are very fast. They are very fast messages, so they are electric messages, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, my son. Lower your hand now. And now the turn for Omar Kamal. Are you ready, Omar?
Yes.
Number 56.
The organ that processes information is brain.
You are excellent. Thank you. The brain. Can you tell me more about the brain? Is it important organ or not?
Yes, it is important.
What does it do? You know more about, tell me more about the brain. What does it do?
Receive information and process information and tell the response.
Excellent, my son. It receive information and it process information. Interprets the information. Interprets the information. Understand what you see, what you hear.
And it is the main control system in the body. The main,
Yeah, very good, my son. Thank you, my son. The brain is a very important part of what system?
nervous.
You are excellent. Thank you, Omar Kamal. Thank you, Omar Kamal. Now with the turn for Omar Nagib. Are you ready? Number 57, Omar Nagib.
That's depend of hearing, sense, touch. Bats depend on hearing sense at night.
Oh, the bat depend on hearing sense. You are excellent, my son. The bat depend on the hearing sense. How can it locate things? Do you know?
Mr. Can I answer?
Let your friend continue. Omar Nagib or Omar Kamal? This is turn of Omar Nagib. Lower your hand, Omar Kamal. Lower your hand, Omar Kamal. Continue, Omar Nagib. Continue,
Bats
Omar
use
Nagib.
echolocation. Bats use echolocation.
How does he make echolocation? Do you know?
What?
He sent the high-pitched sound. He make high-pitched sound. You know?
Yes.
Can you tell me more about echolocation?
When high-pitched sound
Strike something, it reflect again.
it reflects again like echo.
And the bat can hear it. Very good, my son.
Yes.
And so he can locate things. Thank you very much. Now lower your hand, please. Kareem, your turn, Kareem.
Bats use dots to locate their base in the location and hear.
Echolocation and hearing. Very good, my son. We said it before. He use hearing sense and echolocation.
Yes.
He make high-pitched sound, and the sound travel in the air, so it reflects back when it strikes something, so the bat can hear it. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, my son. Lower your hand, Kareem. Muhammad Samir, your turn, Muhammad.
Yes.
Number 59.
Okay. On watching TV, we use sight and hearing.
Taste, sight and smell, sight and hearing, hearing and touch.
Sight and hearing.
Very good. When we watch TV, we use sight and hearing. Very good, my son. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, lower your hand, Muhammad. Amr Magdi, are you ready?
Yes.
Number 60.
Number 60.
Amr Magdi, are you ready?
Yes.
Read number 6.
Snake able to detect teeth on their tail. Hello?
Are you ready, Amr Magdi?
Yes.
Read number 60.
Snake able to take heat on their skin.
You are not ready?
I'm ready.
Do you have the booklet or not?
No.
I will read it for you, okay?
Yes.
Snake able to detect the heat on their snake
Skin.
able to detect the heat on their face or skin or tail or nose.
Their tail.
What organ in the snake help him to detect the heat of the prey's face or skin or tail or nose?
Tail.
You know?
Face.
In the face, you know? In the face, the snake can feel by the temperature. The snake can feel by the temperature by a part of his face. You know, it is like what device we use to detect the temperature? When you are going to a mall, in the door, in the beginning, they test your temperature. By what device? Do you know the device?
No.
You know the thermometer? It is like the thermometer. It is like the thermometer. We can detect the temperature by thermometer. And the snake has something in his face, like the thermometer, it can feel by heat of the prey. So it doesn't need the sight or the hearing or the smell. It uses a part of the face to feel the heat of the prey. Okay, so it can hunt in the dark. Thank you, Amr Magdi. Yasin Ahmed, now your turn. Lower your hand, Amr, and close your mic.
Yes, Miss.
Yasin, your turn, Yasin.
Yes. Use the sense of hearing to get food. Get food.
Which animal use a sense of hearing to get food? Is it the chameleon or the bat or the dog? Quickly.
Bat.
The bat. You remember echolocation and hearing? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Echolocation and hearing. The bat depend on the hearing sense to locate the food.
Okay.
Thank you. Lower your hand, please. The rule now, the turn now for Muhammad Hilmi. Are you ready,
Yes.
Muhammad?
Yes.
Read number 62.
6.
62.
62. Okay. People can take oxygen gas from water and air.
Yeah, excellent, my son. You are excellent, Muhammad. Amphibians like what?
Thank you.
Amphibians like what, Muhammad?
Dogs and dots,
Ah,
frog and dots,
frog
and
frog
salamander.
and salamander. Very good, my son. Excellent. They can respire the air from water and also from the air. Do you know they can use what organ in the body for respiration? The
What?
lungs and what else?
Lungs and skin, smooth
Very good,
skin.
ya Muhammad. You are excellent, my son. Thank you, Muhammad Hilmi. Now, Ahmed Hilmi. Are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes.
Let's go to number 63.
Fish use gills to breathe in water.
Fish use what to breathe in water?
Gills.
You are excellent. Right. The fish can respire the air, oxygen from the air?
No, water.
From water only. Very good. Because they have gills. They don't have lungs. You know the gills in the fish is structure adaptation or behavior adaptation?
Structure.
You are
Structure.
excellent, my son. Thank you, Ahmed Hilmi. You are very good.
Welcome.
And you and Muhammad Hilmi also are excellent. Now everybody answered. صح يا شباب? We all answered. You can raise your hand again. Everybody, you can raise your hand again. Yusuf Muhammad, your turn, Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
Read number 64.
Gills in fish is structural adaptation.
Gills in the fish is what?
Structural adaptation.
Very good, my son. The gills is a part of digestive system or respiratory system?
Gills.
Part
It's
of
what,
what system?
Respiratory system.
Very
Where
good. The
it's
fish
where-
use it in respiration.
the oxygen get for gills.
They get oxygen from water by the help of gills. They extract oxygen from water by the help of the gills. Like we. How do we extract oxygen from the air?
By lungs.
By lungs. Very good, my son. You are excellent, Yusuf. Thank you, Yusuf. Now we have Muhammad Hilmi. Are you ready? Your turn to
Yes.
come again.
Yes.
Let's go,
All
Muhammad.
the following are organ is digestive system except nose.
You are excellent. The nose is part of what system?
Respiratory system.
Can you tell me the parts, all parts of the respiratory system?
Yes.
Like what?
Trachea and lungs and diaphragm.
You are
and
excellent, my
throat.
son. You are excellent. The nose, the trachea, the lungs, and the diaphragm. Thank you, Muhammad Hilmi.
And
You
the
are excellent,
throat.
my son. Now, Ahmed Hilmi, your turn, Ahmed.
The organs that move the food into the stomach, esophagus. Easy.
Yeah, very good, Ahmed Hilmi. Esophagus. It is a part of digestive system or respiratory system?
Digestive system.
But can you tell me more about the digestive system? What organs of the digestive system?
Mesh. Small intestine.
Start from the mouth. Start from the mouth.
Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine.
Which is first? Small intestine first or large intestine first?
Small intestine.
Very good. You are excellent, my son. Thank you very much. You are excellent. You and Muhammad and one of the best students in the class. All of you are excellent, mashallah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad and Ahmed Hilmi. Now, Yusuf, lower your hand. And Muhammad and Ahmed Hilmi, you lower your hand. The turn now for Ahmed Mustafa. Are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes, Mr.
Let's go to number 67.
The digestive system, the undigested waste of food was present in
The undigested food يعني الفود اللي ما اتهضمش present in يوجد فيه البرين ولا البنكرياس ولا الليفر ولا اللارج intestine؟
large intestine.
You are excellent. Thank you. You are excellent, my son. You know what after the large intestine? What after the large intestine? Where the food goes?
The anus. The anus.
And
Very good. The food goes to the anus and go outside the body. Very good, my son. Thank you. Lower your hand now. You are excellent, my son. The turn now for Kareem. Are you ready, Kareem?
Yes.
Read number 68.
Animals away like gadget seed by its sharp spine.
Barbary fig اللي هو التين الشوكي. Keep animals away. بيبعد الحيوانات عنه. Like acacia tree by what? Sharp spines or poison or smell or long leaves?
Sharp spine.
Sharp spines. Very good. تقدر تمسك الباربري فيج؟ تقدر تمسك التين الشوكي بإيدك؟
No.
You can't catch it by your hand because it has a lot of sharp spines. You know? Okay. Let's move to Omar Kamal. Kareem, lower your hand, Kareem. 69 يا عمر.
The palm tree has a tiny leaf like acacia tree.
The palm tree has tiny leaves like what?
Acacia tree.
Acacia. Acacia has umbrella leaves.
Pine tree.
Pine tree is correct. Pine tree is correct. You know, pine tree has triangular shape, you know? Like this?
Yeah.
Like this, do you know?
Yes.
Why it has a triangular shape, do you know? And the branches are very thin branches. You know why it has like this shape? You know why it has this triangular shape and the branches like this? Do you know why?
Say only why, Mister. I don't know.
Why it has branches, tiny leaves and the branches, and it has a triangular shape. You know why?
Maybe, Mister, because it's
Lose water.
maybe it's
Can slide. The ice can slide at its surface and doesn't break the tree. Okay?
but that's what I will say, Mister.
Yeah, you are excellent, my son. Thank you. Omar Kamal, thank you very much. Amr Magdi, are you ready, Amr Magdi?
Yeah.
Let's go to number 70.
One animal of the animal that eat acacia leaf is giraffe.
One of the animals that can eat acacia tree leaves. Which animal?
Giraffe.
Giraffe, very good. You know why? You know why?
Will it have tall neck?
You know why it can eat the high tree, the leaves of this high tree? How can the giraffe eat these leaves? The giraffe has what? The giraffe has a very long neck, you know? The giraffe has a very long neck, so it can eat the high leaves of the acacia tree. You know why? Because it has a very high long neck. Is it a structural adaptation or behavioral adaptation? The long neck of the giraffe, structural adaptation or behavioral adaptation? You know, it is a structural adaptation. A structural adaptation, my son, okay? Let's go to another student. Muhammad al-Gamal, are you ready?
Yeah.
Read number 71.
Mr. My name is Ahmed, not Muhammad.
Ahmed al-Gamal,
Yeah.
read
But
number
my full
71. Omar Kamal,
Okay.
lower your hand.
Acacia tree send space in the danger. Air message.
Acacia tree send what messages?
Air message.
No, smelly messages. Smelly
For the
messages in the air. They send smelly messages in the air.
Yeah, but in the air.
Okay? Smelly messages in the air.
Yeah, it is.
Okay?
So what I do? I check
Thank you.
the two.
I will finish here, ya shabab. I will finish the session now. And we'll continue in the 5th session, inshallah. Okay?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you. Salam alaikum.